Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm sure you have seen all these AI cat viral videos and you're wondering how to generate them. Are they free to make? How to use the AI tools that makes them. So in today's video, we're going to be creating AI cat story videos like this using only free AI tools. You're going to be using ChatGPT images to generate the story sequences, and we're going to be using Meta AI to animate these pictures and as well adding on some sound effects. So stick along to the end of the video if you want to learn how to do just that, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to support us and never miss out on any upcoming tutorials. So the first thing you will need is the story itself. So you will need to think of a story and write the story sequences. You can do that manually, or you can get an inspiration from another story on TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Instagram. But the better way is to make something new, something creative for better chance of going viral, something more catchy. So on ChatGPT images, we're gonna start with this prompt. I want to make a viral AI cat story. I will be sending you the prompts for every scene and you will generate the image for me. Click on send. Okay, so now you will go to your story draft and you just copy the scene number one, paste right here, and there is a little important thing is that you need to use this description: highly animated viral look, exaggerated proportions and expressions, glossy lighting, dramatic shading, fun cinematic, almost Pixar like vibe. So this is the description that I picked for the most common viral AI cat styles, but of course you can use any other style you want. So in today's video we're going to be working with this description. So this description will be in the description box, so don't worry about it. Now copy it and tell ChatGPT to use the description that we talked about. Okay, now that the image was created, you're gonna repeat the sequence to all your other scenes and move on to the next step. Ask ChatGPT to retry or edit any detail if you don't like it in any parts of your scenes. After generating the last scene of your story, you need now to have prompts to animate these images. So simply you're going to ask ChatGPT to write you a prompt for every scene depending on the number of scenes. For example, we have 9 right here, so we're going to need 9 prompts for Meta AI to animate these images. So ChatGPT delivered our AI animation prompt. Now you need to download all your scenes and save them to a folder. Right here I have all the scenes I need. Now go to Meta AI, the link's in the description of course. Click on the plus icon and click on add media. All you need to do is upload the image number 1 and copy the prompt number 1, go back to Meta AI, paste the prompt, on the blue arrow, send. Alright, so now you repeat the sequence with all your other scenes and move on to the next step. After animating all your scenes, click on the download button right here to download them and put them in a local folder. So I have all my animated scenes right here in this folder. Step number 3 is editing. So you upload your animated scenes to CapCut library and you drag and drop them, cut the frozen scenes and wanted clips and make your story more clean. Add on some transitions as well from the transition library. And now we need sound for our story. In the description box, you will find a link to freesound.org, and this website offers free sound. All you need to do is search any sound you want. For example, cat. If you search cat, click enter, you will find a lot of cat sounds right here. If you like a sound, click on the download button right here. Click on the red link and then download sound, and your sound is downloaded. After downloading all the sound you need to put them in a folder, organized folder. Then go back to CapCut, import them into CapCut, and start putting them where they should be. After editing everything, click export, and let's move to the results.
Wait, wait! Calm down, calm down!
That was about it for today's tutorial. If you like it, leave a like, comment, and share, and tell me in the comments any other ideas you want us to work on in future videos.